What's up, my Big Mack Snack-Wraps? It's your boy, the Mickey Mac, and welcome to another show. Today's show, we are doing a long-awaited Mukbang Bulls collaboration. It's been a minute, y'all. For the Mukbang Bulls, that's myself, ULOVECHANI, LLIPS, and Sam's World. We're doing 3 days, a 3-day event. This is called 3 in the Sea. It's going to be 3 days of seafood, you guys. So immediately following this video right here that you're watching right now, head over to ULOVECHANI's channel, LLIPS channel, and Sam's World channel. We all doing it. Let's see what each other is eating today. Links will be in the description box below. I'm so excited to be doing this collab with my peoples. It's been a while. Y'all know it's been a minute for me since I've sat down and did a video. Usually I've been in my car lately. But yeah, on today's menu, we're having fish tacos. This is salmon, this is spicy fish, and this is shrimp. We're having seafood tacos. And then right here is a quesadilla, a veggie quesadilla. We got chips, we got guac, we got salsa, pico, green salsa, we got hot sauce. Right here I got my my little flavored drink, you know, the sugar-free packets. I got a watermelon kind, and I got some fresh fruit in here. Y'all look at that. Shake it up, shake it up. Y'all look at that. Fire. I got a new little setup. Y'all tell me if y'all like it. We're gonna say a prayer, y'all, and we're gonna get into this. Amen. Whew. I've been waiting all day. Y'all know I eat, if you don't know, I eat 1 time a day now, 1 meal a day. So this is my meal for the day. It's about 6 o'clock in the evening right now. So let me go ahead and put some hot sauce on this taco. We're gonna make it do what it do. How my snack wraps out there doing? Okay, what do I want? A little pico. A little red salsa. A little green sauce. The green sauce ain't never hurt nobody. Let's go. Oops. Gotta get the right corner. This messy, y'all. It's gonna be, y'all see that? It's gonna be it. And this is from WAHOO'S Fish Tacos in Fresno, California. Y'all, So bomb. So bomb. Pinkies up. We're gonna swirl a little bit. Then we're gonna sip a little bit. Y'all forgive me if y'all hear the fan in the background. It's like 100 degrees. How my snack wraps doing? I'm doing great. I'm doing so good right now. Praise God. And actually sitting here with you guys, I could tell the weight loss in my face. As of this video, I'm 483. So, and if you watch my intro, like my intro video, you can see the weight loss. I can see it now in my face. That's crazy, because I'm looking at the camera. That's crazy. But yeah, I just been out here living life, y'all. Got the sauce. I think I'm gonna make this green sauce with it. I think these is two that stuck together. But we just gonna eat them. Y'all see that? Y'all see all that goodness? We're just gonna dip it in here like that. Y'all, this food is so bomb. I'm gonna leave the address in the description box below. If you live in Fresno, if you're coming to Fresno, you gotta go to WAHOO'S Fish Grill. So this is a teriyaki fajita vegetable quesadilla. Amazing. See that? So y'all, what's been going on in my life? I've just been trying to become my best self. I'm doing online classes for school, trying to be a programmer with computers and write code and stuff. Me and my ex-girlfriend, we're back together, so we're not exes anymore. She came to visit me during her birthday week out here, and we just rekindled, you know, that magic. Just rekindled that magic. Yeah, I can't wait for y'all to meet her. I didn't really expect this to happen. I wanted it to happen, but I never expected it. Like, since we broke up before, 4 years ago, I hadn't dated anybody. You know, I was just out here, get myself together. Like when we broke up 4 years ago, I told myself and I told her, I'm gonna go get myself together. Work on some things, because I had like, she wanted to get married and I wasn't ready. So, you know, I had to get to that level. So I told her, I'm gonna come back for you if the stars align and all that stuff. So we here now. I can't wait for you guys to meet her. So we're kind of doing a long distance thing right now. She's She still lives out in LA, and I'm in Fresno. But I'm gonna go out there next month and see her, and we'll just alternate a month like that. So that's what we're doing right now. Gotta make it work. Gotta make that long distance work. And it's hard because we're used to being around each other when we was first together. So, that guac. Just a spicy fish. So we're gonna put a little pico on there. And it has slaw, like a citrus sauce. Slaw, they say, underneath the fish. Try a little bit of this green salsa that's left. Y'all like fish tacos out there? I love fish tacos. Just like it's about to fall apart. Oh, y'all see that? Oh, bottle. That's all your boy been doing. What's going on in y'all neck of the woods last 2-3 months? Y'all let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if y'all have been in a long distance relationship before too. How did y'all deal with it? How did y'all make it work? Because I do plan on moving back out there. But I gotta wait till my lease is up out here. And that's in November. I can't wait to see what the other mukbang bulls came up with.